Hello friends, good evening. In this video we will cover data hierarchy in Power BI desktop. So for this, first we upload the data. File name is sales24. Select the sheet. It's a clean data. So you can directly click on load button. It will take few seconds to load the data in Power BI desktop. So here on right hand side you can find the data section or field section. Here you find all the columns in our data set. So we have columns like city, state, and country. Using these columns, we can create data hierarchy here, like order date. Here in order date by default we have a hierarchy. Year, quarter, month, and day. This is the way we can create the data hierarchy in Power BI desktop. So you have to right click on country and select create hierarchy. For hierarchy, we are going to name it as a location. Now if you click on this arrow, you can find country is the first step in this hierarchy. Then we want state, right click on it, go to add hierarchy and select location. So here you can find next hierarchy as a state. Similarly, go to city, right click, add hierarchy, then location. Here we have successfully created location hierarchy using country, state and city column. If we go to the presentation and we want these all three columns in our dataset, so we can easily create table using location option. Directly you have to select location, then automatically it uses country, state and city. So this is the way we can create a data hierarchy in Power BI desktop. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel Job at Pundianagari. Like and share my videos. Thank you.